Hello everyone, once again welcome to Jennifer Fitness Fuel. Let's start our topic. There have been numerous success stories and transformations of individuals who have followed diet plans to achieve their health and fitness goals. While it's important to remember that everyone's journey is unique, here are a few notable examples. 1. Weight loss transformations. Jared Fogle. He famously lost over 200 pounds by following a low-calorie diet that consisted mainly of Subway sandwiches. His story inspired many others to embark on their weight loss journeys. Oprah Winfrey. Oprah has had various weight fluctuations over the years, but she achieved significant weight loss in 2016 by following a structured eating plan. She partnered with Weight Watchers and adopted a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. 2. Bodybuilding and muscle gain transformations. Arnold Schwarzenegger. As one of the most iconic bodybuilders of all time, Arnold followed a strict diet plan that included a high intake of protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. He transformed his physique and won numerous bodybuilding competitions, including Mr. Olympia. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Known for his muscular physique, The Rock follows a rigorous diet plan that includes high protein intake, regular meals, and a balance of macronutrients. He shares his diet and workout routines on social media, inspiring others to pursue their fitness goals. 3. Health-related transformations. Dr. Caldwell Esselstyn. A renowned cardiologist, Dr. Esselstyn developed a plant-based diet plan to reverse heart disease. His research and diet program have been successful in improving the health of many individuals and preventing heart-related issues. Dr. Terry Wahls. Dr. Wahls, diagnosed with multiple sclerosis, transformed her health by adopting a diet rich in nutrient-dense foods like vegetables, fruits, and grass-fed meats. Her approach, known as the Wahls Protocol, has helped her and many others manage their symptoms and improve their quality of life. These are just a few examples, and there are countless other success stories of individuals achieving their health and fitness goals through various diet plans. It's important to note that individual results may vary, and it's crucial to consult with healthcare professionals or registered dietitians before making any significant dietary changes. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.